Hello Biomeds, I hope everyone are doing good. So today I'm going to post a video related to a dental choice booster bottle issue. So one customer called me. So he said the bottle got burst, and he told me to get the new one. And I got the new one also. So before replacing the new one, we need to know because of what reason it got burst. So in this video, I'll explain you in detail because of what reason it got burst. So let's get into the video. So I'll just tell you because of what reason the bottle got burst. So it is due to overpressure. So the pressure range for the booster bottle, no, it will be of around 35 to 40 psi range. So if it is more than that, the bottle will get burst. So in this case, by mistakenly someone has adjusted the regulator. So due to that, the bottle got burst. So before installing the new booster bottle, so we'll set the required pressure range. So after that only we'll install it. So let's get into the replacement video.